Hi everyone. What we have here is a Dacia Duster 2021, and we have a maintenance light on here on the dashboard. You can see right there in the middle this orange light. So we want to reset it actually. Let's push the arrow down button a few times until on the menu, it's in German, but it would say let me see. Okay, so it's a distance until the maintenance or something like this, I would say in English. And while on this screen we have to push the button arrow down button actually. Let's do it. Keep it pressed. Yeah, so it says oil change in 20,000 kilometers or 12 months. Okay, we released the button now. Let's push again the arrow down button and keep it pressed. It's kind of blinking. Great. We changed it actually to 30,000 kilometers and 24 months. Let's try again. Push it, keep pushing it. It's blinking again, and it's not changing actually anymore. The maintenance range is still on. That's odd. Let's just circle through the menu again. Okay, maintenance in 20,000 kilometers, 0 months. Let's push the arrow down button, keep it pressed. It's blinking again. Change to 30. Oh, you see, the light has disappeared. That's interesting. So I guess you have to figure out on your own if it would work for you. But in this kind of strange way, I got rid of my maintenance light. Okay, good luck with this stuff. Bye bye everyone.